In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram nickname option not showing problem. For fixing this problem, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. For checking this, go to Play Store, search. Now search Instagram. Now tap on it. Make sure your Instagram is up to date. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now open Instagram. Now log into your account. Now tap on message icon. You can see that I already set in its nickname. Now click on any conversion. Now click on your profile icon. Now you can see that nicknames. Now I hope that Instagram nickname option not showing problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.